area they might get too interested in moving into the area. You see, they're gonna simply get off moving and try to go somewhere else, which I hope they might encourage by the direction of the female, where the female might taking direction where she's gonna end it too. Because look, a little bit of mating still on here, and it will be very awesome for this female here if it really keep a very good compound for these two males hunt together. If they really cross to north, then she back up, because it could be a female that might give her trouble. And stay in the center area here. If this male comes in, they were able to go hook together and keep on going. It might be the cubs that might survive, because you never know what can happen for the cubs if the female, she doesn't stay in touch with the males all the time. Yeah, the inside Djuma.
Sorry, what is this?
Pull in the inside Djuma.
I'm coming.
A nice looking male, of course. Look at that. Nkuhuma pride consists of 2 males. As I mentioned yesterday, 9 females all in total. It's a very amazing pride when it comes to the information that they have, more especially with the cubs, the new cubs that are getting born in the stage. 14 cubs all in total. There's still 2-3 females to go. Still expecting they have to give birth for the cubs, which it might be over 20 something cubs all in total. So this will be a very, very big pride in the area, and it will be history around the area, because it's our first time having a very large sort of a pride that control the whole area. If the cubs survive because of the 2 males, they were able to control the other male coming in on and off. They're able to defend the cubs. So they really survive. End of 2008, those cubs will be big. They were able to protect themselves from other males in the country area. More special females, they will be more safe because they become part of the pride. Unless the young males, what they do, they get kicked from the pride itself, and they're gonna go somewhere else where they're gonna look for area to hunt and also to survive.
You really?
Very amazing. If you look at the spot behind the ears, it's very clear that it's a following mechanism. Once they start to move through the woodland, it's something that they can focus each other, especially if they have cubs. And the communication with the hand, because of the ears movement, folding forward and backwards, it means once they move forward, prey is very close, is how they communicate. And the black tip at the end of the tail is one of the communications. Side by side, it means animals is not more angry. Once it's up, it's more pleasure. It's coming into open. So you have to know all of this. It's not more dangerous if you don't know. Station Bengala is 3 more away. Station at Jarima Bengala, we are 3 vehicle.
Station on local, there is Bengala coming.
Sorry, we are 3 mover at the stage.
Can I follow in the lineup?
Yeah, definitely. It looked like 1 mover on standby. The rear is going to pull out. We might be on 2nd standby.
Thank you. I think you'll be the third mover, standing by. I'm the first standing by. The second will be upcoding into the third. Whereabouts are you?
It's quite a lot of vehicles that want to respond here. And we just want to take a look on the mail for a minute and we'll be off from the area. We give the other vehicle a chance to come and look at the lives. We'll make the 3 of the 5. We still have 2 that on ahead of us, the leopard and the elephant. I feel like I'm gonna do it, but I'm not sure. Let us go and find some elephant around or looking for a leopard in particular.